I should probably do another intro. What's going on, YouTube?
I'll try not to eat in this one. Oh,
I wanna feel something that's not the touch of your breath on my neck. What's going on, YouTube? It's Carl or Owen Switch here, coming at you with another Forza Horizon video. We're doing another Evo, but today it's gonna be a build-off. We got our buddy Justin here, or Buddha Boy 182. So yeah, we're gonna race, and it's gonna be sick. So we got 10 minutes to buy and build an Evo. Then we're gonna do a couple races. Strap yourselves in. Here we go. 10-minute Evo build. Let's do it. You ready to battle, broski?
as ready as a dog.
What? On your left, my bad, I should have called that out. I'm like driving through the dirt for the pass. I'm greasy. Oh, that poor car, poor engine. Wow.
On your right.
Oh boy.
On your right.
Wow, great side-by-side racing there.
Drag race. Oh shit. Early braking me my ass.
What do you mean early braking? I still went wide through there. If you can beat me in your own lane, buddy.
Beat me in your own.
You know.
On your right. Alright, you're ahead of me again.
You're in your own lane. Can't say
On
that.
your right. Fail.
Justin, do you know how to brake?
Fail. On your left.
It's so funny because it's like wicked
On your left
outdated.
again. On your left. On your left.
Fail. But you're saying it like the nerdy kid who like runs to lunch like Naruto with the backpack on, you know? Like you're saying it like that kid. Like you drop your pencil and they come up to you and they sniff like they have a cold, but they don't. They just go, fail. Oh, fail.
On your left.
We need to stop joking around. This is serious. Wow, you were fast through there. I didn't expect you to do that. I was like, oh yeah, I'll be fine.
He is full throttle, tap on the brakes.
Uh-oh. I'm in danger.
Uh-oh, somebody learned how to drive really fast.
You're insane, but I cannot catch you. Oh, come on! No, I didn't have the grip. Couldn't make it work. Dang. Good race, man. Good race. Good race.
That was a good race. There was a lot of neck and neck.
Absolutely. That was kind of my theory.
More room to grow.
Yeah. On your left, on your left.
Oh, my bad, my
It's all
bad.
good, it's all good. We good, we good. Still holding that outside here.
Still on your inside.
Yeah, guys, so that's something we do, like, Justin and I try and be each other's crew chief as much as we can, because, like, really, like, even if we're racing against other people, we're teammates, like, you know what I mean? So, help each other out. Oh, boy. Crew chief spotter? I meant spotter. I don't even know what I'm talking about. What's going on here, man? I'm not getting a ton of pressure from you. How's the car?
As soon as you said that, I learned how to take those.
Oh no! And I understood.
On your left.
I deserved that. Now I got myself a chase. I got a confident man and a pretty quick Evo. That apparently can peel tire at like, I don't even know how fast. My Evo doesn't do that. Ooh, them gains though, bro. Your Evo didn't eat enough peanuts, not enough protein, bro. Not chicken.
Your Evo didn't eat enough.
Hey, that deserves to die.
Oh, bro.
I'm sorry. That was brutal. Bro. On your left. If that was the last lap, that would have been sick.
But it wasn't.
Bro, you tapped me wide. No, don't wait up on the last lap. Ah, that's okay. Well, rolling start. Here we go. I'm coming up on your left. I got you in the corner here. I told you I was there.
Did I not give you enough room?
Give you enough room. Come on, Evo. Come on, Evo, get that draft going. On your left. Oh, I need to shift. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.
Oh, God.
Race number 1. Good race, man.
Wait, it says I got first.
What?
Fuck you on that.
No! I'm telling you. Check the footage. Check the footage. Good race. That was sick. These cars are pretty evenly matched, so I had you on that
Watch
straight
me
away.
whip. Watch me nay nay.